If your goal is to make your arms look noticeably bigger, the first muscle you should focus on is the triceps. But before you jump into training, there's something important to understand. You can actually measure how strong your triceps are with a very simple test. All you have to do is try a diamond push-up. If you can manage only one diamond push-up, your tricep strength is roughly around 10%. If you can do 5 reps smoothly, your tricep strength is roughly 50%. And if you can perform 15 diamond push-ups in a row without losing form, your triceps are essentially at full strength. Now let's look at the exercises that target all 3 heads of the triceps: the long head, the medial, middle head, and the lateral head. You'll only see real growth when each head is trained properly. 1. Lateral head workouts. Exercise 1. Diamond push-ups. We've already talked about these. If you're new to training, start with a single rep. If the standard version feels too difficult, begin with knee diamond push-ups, the same movement, but performed on your knees. It's the easiest way to learn the form and build initial strength. Exercise 2. Cable pushdowns. Use a cable machine at the gym for this. Cable pushdowns are one of the most effective movements for isolating the lateral head of the triceps. 2. Medial middle head workouts. Exercise 1. Tricep dips. These are performed as shown in the video. 2 sets are enough to give the medial head a strong workout. Exercise 2. Close grip bench press. This is similar to a standard bench press, but with your hands placed closer together. Bringing your hands in shifts the emphasis away from the chest and directly onto the triceps, especially the medial head. 3. Long head workouts. If you want your triceps to appear fuller and more developed, the long head is the key area to train. Exercise 1. Tricep kickbacks. Use a dumbbell or any moderate weight and perform kickbacks as demonstrated. This move isolates the long head extremely well. Exercise 2. Overhead tricep extensions. Lift your arms overhead and extend the weight behind your head, using either a cable or a dumbbell. This overhead extension movement engages the long head deeply. Important note for beginners. If your triceps are very weak, follow this approach. Perform just 1 set of every exercise listed above. Do the routine every other day. In other words, if you train today, skip the next 2 days and repeat the workout on the 3rd day. It's not about which day of the week it is. Just keep a 2-day gap between sessions. Training all 3 heads consistently with this pattern will lead to noticeable tricep growth. And whatever muscle group you train on a given day, take about 30 minutes at the end to perform this complete tricep routine. You'll see significant improvements in both strength and size. If you'd like to check out more workout videos, you'll find options on your screen. Tap anyone to jump straight to that video.